Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Attention of the House is drawn to the fact that despite the assurance given on the floor of the House on 4th August that notification regarding the reservation of OBC students in postgraduate medical seats in JMC and dental college as per the 100-point roster would be issued within a week, the notification has not been issued. It's because it is further noted that the rules governing 100% roster-based reservation for OBC, ST and SC categories in Goa Medical College and Dean College remain pending. It's because the government has consistently turned a Nelson's eye to the matter. In view of the upcoming PG NEET medical registration scheduled for the first week of April, the House seeks clarity on the concrete steps the government proposes to take to ensure that the notification is issued without further delay. PG NEET आज एप्रिल आंदा एग्जाम आहे. झालं ना पेंडिंग अजून.
Because that procedure सुरू आहे continuously सगळा.
ना मग एप्रिल होऊन जातले का मोठा आंदा. हम आहे का? Before April is their exams. Will it happen to April? ते माशे सांग तू एप्रिल there is a they are scared.